Novitas Quick Tips, Part B Fee Schedule Single Code Search and Download Tool. Welcome to our demonstration of the Novitas Part B Fee Schedule Single Code Search and Download Tool. This video gives you an overview of features found on the Code Search and Download Fee Schedule page. For the purposes of this video, we are using images from our Jurisdiction H Fee Schedule page. However, these same images can be found on our Jurisdiction L Fee Schedule page. The only differences between the jurisdictions H and L fee schedule pages are the states included in each jurisdiction and the URL. On the Physicians Fee Schedule Code Search and Downloads page, there is a search using a single code and a download the complete fee schedule. To find the fee for a single code, use Search using a single code on the left side of the page. Enter the procedure code, date of service, state, and locality. Once you've entered all data, click Search to get results. Results include procedure code entered, effective date, description of procedure code entered, fee schedule amount, participating provider, non-participating provider, limiting charge amount, fees when performed in a facility setting, status indicators. Click on the question mark icon for a description of the field or indicator. If you wish to find a fee for another code, click the clear button next to Search at the top of the page and start over. To download the complete fee schedule, go to Download the Complete Fee Schedule on the right side of the page. Enter the following in the Download the Complete Fee Schedule area. Year, if different than the year shown. State, click on the down arrow and choose your state. Locality, click on the down arrow and choose your locality. File type, which defaults to PDF. And if you want a version other than PDF, click on the down arrow and choose Excel or text. Then click Download. Once you click on Download, save it to your desktop. Depending on the browser you're using, you may get the option to open or save. Once the PDF document opens, you will see the following fields: procedure code, participating fee, non-participating fee, and limiting charge. You can search the document to find fees for a specific code. Press Ctrl F and the Find box appears. In the Find box, type a code into the field and press Enter. In a few seconds, the highlighted code will appear. If you wish to find another code, simply type the code in the Find box and enter. At the bottom of the page is an explanation for symbols found in the FAC IND column and LC column. Once you are finished, you can close the PDF or save, then close. Thanks for watching.